Hello everyone. If you have a black screen problem on your Android phone, then watch this video very carefully. In this video, I will show you how to fix black screen death problem on your Android phone with 3 simple steps. So let's start our video. Number 1. Volume up and power key combination. Press and hold power key number 1, 2, 3 and press and hold volume up key and connect charger. If not work, then go to number 2. In this section, press and hold volume up, down and power key together and connect charger. If not work, then go to number 3. Once again volume up and power key combination. Press and hold power key up to 3 seconds and press and hold volume up key. Now connect your charger. You can see here it works. In this way you can easily fix your black screen death Android phone. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then click subscribe and stay connected with us. Thank you.